What's up, guys? Today on One Day Builds, we're going to tackle the spice. This thing is forever getting in my way when I'm trying to mock stuff up on my fixture table. So what I think I'm going to do is build a platform that bolts to the side in these holes that I can move it around wherever I want to on the table. So it's just going to be a quick and easy one. I already drew it up in CAD. Just going to burn it out, weld it up, slap the vise on it, and we'll be done. All right, I think we're all done. I'll go through and throw some those beads in there, and we'll bolt her up. All right, I think I'm ready to run. Unfortunately, I can't do it right in the corner because my legs come up and block those holes, but I think it'll be fine. That's it. I'll give you a little look around. Alright guys, now it's been another episode of One Day Builds. Thanks guys, have a good day.